Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Welcome to this session, a webinar on Matlab interfacing with artificial intelligence. So, this webinar is organizing by Kumaraguru College of Technology from Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. And first of all, our sincere gratitude to Dr. K. Malar Vijay, professor and head of the department of EEE from the KCT College, Coimbatore, and the coordinators Dr. C. Udyaya Shankar sir and Mr. S. Arun Kumar sir. So our sincere thanks to all of them. So for accepting our invitation and organizing this webinar on Matlab interfacing with artificial intelligence. So before starting about the Matlab interfacing with artificial intelligence, so myself Srinivaslu Ala, I completed my MTech in power systems, and about our pantech solutions profile. So pantech solutions was started at 2004, and we have 7 branches and more than 100 employees are working in pantech solution groups. So still now we are already conducted more than 1200 workshops, and we reached our knowledge of nearly 8,50,000 students. So our portfolio here, research and development for industrial projects and faculty development programs, and we are conducting hands-on training workshops, internships and in-plant trainings. We are providing short-term courses in different domains, and we are offering value-added courses also, and academic project training for UG and PG engineering students. by Pantech Proed and customized design service and state of the art in research and development. Also, we are taking some projects. And which domains we people are giving the service. So here we are mentioning some domains for electronics and electrical people. We are offering Internet of Things and artificial intelligence, embedded systems and robotics, VLSI, FPGA and TMS process, and image processing, OpenCV and network simulation. And for electrical, purely electrical, we are working on power electronics, different converter topologies, and electric vehicle, e-vehicle design. So what is our role? Electric engineer students, as a electrical engineering students, what is our role? And this also we are providing. And big data for computer science and IT domain people. Big data, data analytics, Internet of Things, Python, Android and Kotlin, and Android application development and data image processing also, and cloud computing and mobile computing. So in all these domains, we people are offering different technologies with new technologies. So coming in this industry. So every year we are updating, and every day we are conducting 2 to 3 webinars also. And here coming to our content, what is today session, what we will discuss in this session means what is AI, artificial intelligence. So nowadays everyone is talking about the artificial intelligence, but by using this art, how we people are using this artificial intelligence in Matlab. So Matlab everyone will know. So all the researchers and the students, electrical engineering students, and all the domain people will know about the Matlab. So in this session we will see artificial intelligence, what is the part, what is the role of in Matlab. So why we use neural networks. So neural networks are the part of artificial intelligence. So why we people need artificial neural networks, and basics of the, what are the basics of the neural networks, and feature extraction using the neural networks also, and what are the key features working with the neural network toolbox in Matlab, types of neural networks architecture, applications and advantages. Here we will discuss, and we are providing some reference paper for regarding the artificial intelligence with Matlab also. So if you see here, what is meant by artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence, or AI, we are simply calling as AI, is a simulation of intelligence as like a human behavior. So artificial intelligence will think like as a human. So we are taking the decisions, right? So whenever the problem will occur, whatever the decision as our daily life or in work life also, we are taking the decision with an immediate manner, right? So like that, as a human, we are taking the decisions. So when you made a vehicle also, so this artificial intelligence, automatically the machine will take the decisions. So like humans, the machine, when you made that one with artificial intelligence, that product will take the decisions automatically. So it is like a computer or system to design, perceive its environment, understand its behavior, and to take actions also. So first of all, we need to understand the behavior of the vehicle. So then only it will take the action. So when we are moving in fast speed, right? Suppose we people are moving in 80 km speed. So immediately when we are suddenly any other vehicles opposite side, some other vehicles are coming. So the vehicle, artificial intelligence self-made, this automotive vehicle will automatically take the decision to stop that car, to overcome, to avoid the damage of the car also, it will take the decision. So consider self-driving cars. You can analyze self-driving cars, artificial intelligence driven systems like these integrate artificial intelligence. Here we are using some algorithms, artificial intelligence algorithms. We are using, by implementing the algorithm, the machine will take the decision like a human. The machine will take the decision like a human. So in this artificial intelligence, what will comes under? So in this artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and the complex environment, whatever the problem may be complex. So when the problem become more complex, at that point you can prefer artificial intelligence. When you are designing a vehicle or any topological converter, at that point, if you are becoming more complex, so then when you are applying the artificial intelligence algorithms, so then the problem may be very easy. So it will automatically design. So like that, we need to apply some neural networks algorithms. So here you people can see here artificial intelligence is estimated. So we now 2020 in this pandemic situation, we are talking about the artificial intelligence. Coming years it have a good future. So it is a big future. So as per the researchers and McKinsey report, so McKinsey forecasting report, so according to their report, AI, artificial intelligence, is estimated to create $13 trillion market economic value. It will create $13 trillion value. So AI market it will create. So that's because AI is transforming the engineering in a next level. Artificial intelligence will transforming the engineering in a next level, you can see. So in every industry, not only electrical industry or automotive industry, all over the world, all the industries, whether it is a financial or robotics or industrial automation or predictive and maintenance and patent monitoring. Suppose when a people are getting cancer, so cancer detection, so like that we need to analyze some algorithms, we need to take the weather monitoring. So all these algorithms comes under artificial intelligence only. So electricity use forecasting, suppose Coimbatore city, how much power consumption is happened per every month. So how to reduce the power losses. So by implementing the artificial intelligence algorithm, we can easily predict so where the problem is occurring, how to solve those problems. So when the rain will come, so now the weather department people will automatically announce, right? So coming day, this time particularly approximately this time will come. So artificial intelligence will not give the exact solution, but it will give the approximate or near to the solution. In automotive driving also we can use these solutions. So beyond automotive driving, AI is also used in models that predict the machine failure, indicating when they will require maintenance. When you people are buying, 5 years back, you people are buying a car or a bike. So when you are from the past few years, you are using that vehicle. At that point, so there may be a chance to failure your motor vehicle, right? So then by implementing the artificial intelligence, we can easily predict. So for next month, coming month, up to that month, we can utilize this vehicle. So after that also we can utilize this vehicle, means it may go to damage or we will meet an accident very easily. So it will be predict the future things. It will be easily predict the future things and the robotic system. So automotive robotics now playing a vital role in the hospitals, right? Hospitals also, these artificial intelligence robotic system will play a major role. So automatically it will detect the patients when they are entering, how much temperature. So automatically without human, the robot will act as like a human only. So, but how it will advance? So the robotic systems that learn and improve directly from the experience only. So whatever the experience, we will create one data sheet. According to the data sheet, we will train the algorithm. Through that, the robot will be operated like a human. So here, AI modeling, what are the key factors for success in the modeling AI systems are to start with a complete set of algorithms and pre-built models for a machine learning or deep learning or reinforcement learning and other artificial intelligence techniques. So here to use some apps for productive design and analysis also. We can make some apps to analyze the things, whatever the things we need to suppose. Here you can see the image here. By observing the image, we can easily how much distance we need to maintain by the cars. When we people are stuck in a traffic jam, how much distance we need to maintain. So if you are over crossing means automatically it will indicate. So manage compute complexity with graphical processing unit, acceleration and scaling to parallel and cloud servers and on-premise data centers also. So artificial intelligence model exists within a complete system. So artificial intelligence, whatever the system we are designing, it will be complete system within the model. Whatever the car we are developing here. So when we are driving the automatic car, automatically the AI algorithm will always give the suggestions. It will indicate, it will monitor to us. So algorithm for localization and path planning. Here we are planning. You can see here in this arrow we are planning the path, right? And controls for braking, acceleration and turning also. So these algorithms will help to braking at what point we need to apply the brakes and what point how much acceleration we need to go when we are stuck in traffic jam and how to turn our vehicle. All these points will analyze the AI machine. AI machine will analyze. So here we are discussing the artificial intelligence will comes under machine learning and deep learning. So in that network, so mainly it will come neural networks, right? So like a human. So in all our bodies, neurons we are made up of with neurons only, right? Number of neurons are we are made up of. So if you touch your body on any top of your body, if you touch me, you have some sense, right? We people have some sense. So like that, this neural network, so it is artificial neural network is implemented from us only. So biological neural networks, so neurons, by taking the example of neurons only, this artificial intelligence is created. So an artificial neural network is an information processing model. Paradigm means it is a model or a plant or any type of the machine also. We are taking the information, it will transmit the information from one point to other point. Suppose if we people get some damage on our knee, if we people are getting a damage on knee means automatically it will transmit the information to our brain, right? We have the sense, right? So through the neurons only we are connected to brains. So that information directly comes to our brain. We will act, we will use some solution. Like that, here also in the machines, like the biological nervous system, like in our human body, the machine which we are made, we are applying some algorithms, right? So through the neural networks only it will be applicable. So it is composed of a large number of highly interconnected processing elements are called neurons. What is meant by neuron means? So it is large number of highly interconnected processing elements. So that means data elements. So those are all called neurons. An artificial neural network is configured for a specific application such as pattern recognition or data collection. So data collection. So we need to collect some information or to recognize the pattern. Which type of pattern we need to go? Which type of pattern we need to apply here, and what is the data classification also here we will see here. So here why we use neural networks only means, so these neural networks have the ability to derive meaning for complicated or imprecise data. So which the data which is not correctly. So if the data is exactly not or not similarly means, so by collecting those data and the data which may be more complex means that complex problem we can solve. The artificial neural networks have the ability to solve that one. So extract patterns and detect trends that are too complex to be notified either humans or other computing techniques also. So here we need to adapt the learning. So whatever the technique we are implementing here, so to adaptive learning and real-time operation also. It will be operated, this artificial intelligence will be operated in real-time operation here. So what are the neural networks? A method of computing based on the interaction of multiple connected processing elements. It is a powerful technique to solve many real world problems. Now we are facing the COVID problem, right? All over the world, the people, the global is in crisis. So we can predict how much cases tomorrow will come in Coimbatore city by implementing a artificial intelligence algorithm or AI algorithm in Coimbatore district, how much cases we can predict next month. So as per the MIT researchers, they are also applying the artificial intelligence algorithms only. So as per their analysis, coming 2021 February, we will reach the COVID cases. How many we will reach? 21 crores all over the world we will reach. So 21 crores people will affect on coronavirus. So how they are predicting means by using the artificial intelligence only. We can easily predict so how many cases, so how to detect. So we are some area people are applying trace 40 like this. We need to test the patient and how to treat that patient, how to isolate also. So the ability to learn from the experience in order to improve their performance. Whatever the mistakes, so whatever the data we have now, from that data we can analyze easily what will happen coming tomorrow. So ability to deal with incomplete information. The data which we have, it is incomplete only, right? So we don't know exactly how many cases in the Coimbatore city, but by taking those incomplete data, we can easily predict how many cases will come coming month, August month, how many cases will reach. So how to rectify those problems, how to face those situations, we can easily, the people and the government will alert automatically. So here, so the basics of the neural network, if you see here, the biological approach to artificial intelligence. So the first neural network was developed in 1943. Later they implemented with the artificial neural network as in 1958. So initially they developed a neural type of network. So as human body, they are taking the consideration, they developed initially 1943 with that type of neural network. So we are made. So we are making artificial neural network in 1915. So comprised of one or more layers of neurons and several types. We will focus on feed forward and feedback networks also. So there are so many types of neural networks are there. Feedback networks, feed forward networks are there. So if you see here how the neurons, how it will be, the biological neurons. So here you can see visually dendrites, nucleus, cell body, myelin, axon, synapse terminal, right? We are all studied these biological neurons in our lower class session. But if you are applying the same neurons in a artificial intelligence means it will take the input 1 and input 2. So the training data and what the exam. So 70% of the data we will train in this artificial intelligence. So and the threshold function, the neural network neuron. So by taking these input 1 and input 2, we will adjust the weight functions. We will adjust the weight function according to how much we need to get. So according to our requirement, we will make the algorithm. So then after that we can say that one is a neural network neuron, and then the threshold function. So according to the threshold function only it will activate. Here, so it comes when you people are seeing neural networks versus conventional computers. Conventional computers use an algorithmic approach. Whatever the computers, whatever the PCs now we people are using, right? Most of the people we are using smart. Conventional computer uses an algorithmic approach, but neural networks works similar to human brain and learns by an example. But neural networks, so coming years we will see the artificial. Recently the Tesla people, Tesla motors we are watching, right? So Tesla motors, Tesla electric vehicle. So the first roadster electric vehicle developed by Tesla in the United States of America in 2018. So coming years, recently they implemented with the neural networks. So with the by training a neural networks, how the machine will be operated. From last week they get the patent also on neural network, Tesla company. And here the inspiration from neurobiology. So where we are taking this artificial intelligence means where we are taking this inspiration from the humans only. A neuron, many inputs, one output and one output, unit output can be excited or not excited. Incoming signals from the other neurons determine if the neuron shall excite. That means fire also we can say. So output as the subject. So we need to get the output as a subject to attention in the synapses, which are junction parts of the neurons also. Here you can see this graphs, the cells, synapses size. So what are the number of inputs are connected to one point. So that one we can say nucleus, right? So nucleus or neuron, many inputs are combined at one point. And here a simple neuron, you people can see here, take the input. So x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 up to xn. You can take the number of elements. So number of the you need to predict the output, right? So first you need to collect the data, number of inputs you people can collect. So calculate the summation of the input. So the weight function you need to collect average, how much we will get. The summation of these x1, x2 up to xn element are the total elements you need to summarize, and summation of the inputs you need to analyze and compare it with the threshold being set during the learning stage. So teach or use is there, right? So in this neuron, when you people are taking all the inputs at initial stage, then you need to sum all the neurons. So then only you need to compare that summation with the threshold value. So in teaching or input. So after that you will get the exact output value, required output value you will get. So if you see here the feature extraction using the neural network. So the input layer and the hidden layer and the output layer. So 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3 like that, right? So the output multi-layer perception. So multi-layer perceptron network of 3 layers is trained to detect minute in the thinned image. So suppose now most of the people in all our engineering colleges or most of the companies, everyone preferring thumbprint, right? So how we people are exactly it will match thumbprint machines we are observing, right? So when we are suppose in our mobile also we are putting the screen lock, that is called GUI, graphical user interface. So when you people are applying your thumbprint, so then only the lock will open, your screen lock will open, right? So that thumbprint also we can detect through this. We can design that product. In that product also we are implementing with the artificial neural networks only. So how it will take means by taking the number of samples, number of input layers, by taking the samples only. Through that data they will train. So the input layer they will train and the hidden layer is also there. So in that hidden layer, after that we will get the output layer. The first layer has 9 perceptrons and the hidden layer has 5 perceptrons also. So the output layer has only one element. When we are putting the screen on top of your mobile screen, if you are putting your thumbprint means automatically the screen will open, right? So within the fraction of second we are observing the artificial intelligence. So but inside of that one, how the processing is happening means through the artificial intelligence algorithm. So whether it is a deep neural networks or through the machine learning also we can say. And here neural network toolbox in the Matlab. So the matrix laboratory, Matlab we can say matrix laboratory. Initially it is developed by Coimbatore when in 1970s. So before that you people may think so we don't have other languages compared to Matlab. So Matlab is like a big ocean. It is like a ocean. We have number of toolboxes are there. So recently the people are implemented the artificial neural network in Matlab toolbox. But Matlab when initially developed particularly for engineering students and for scientific approach problem. to solve the scientific problems or mathematical problems only. For that reason, a Clive Moller, a professor in American University, he developed the Matlab toolbox. So later they implemented with www.mathworks also. So what we will do in the Matlab? So we need to create and train and simulate the neural network. That's it we are doing. In Matlab, what we are doing means we need to create our model. So we have one thought, right? So all our thoughts we need to create as a model, and we need to train the data. Whatever the data we are collecting, that data we need to train, and we need to simulate in the simulation. Matlab simulation or either script or Simulink model, we need to design that one. So you can see here the input neural network including the connection called weights in between the neurons. So, and this is the target and this is the output. So we need to compare with the target and by adjusting the weights. So neural network toolbox provides tools for designing, implementing and visualizing and simulating the neural networks only. So neural networks are used for applications where formal analysis would be difficult or impossible. So when we people are designing some model, so it will maybe more difficult or impossible solution. Impossible. So some people will say this is impossible, but that is possible when we are applying the neural network tools. Neural networks. So this neural network toolbox supports feed-forward networks, radial basis networks, dynamic networks, and self-organizing maps and other models also. In other models also it will be applied. So here we will see here. So what are the key features? So neural network design, training and simulation. We need to analyze the pattern recognition and data fitting tools and supervised networks including the feed forward, radial basis, LVQ, vector analyzation and time delay, non-linear auto-regressive and layer recurrent unsupervised networks, including we have mainly two type of network. One is supervised networks and another one is the unsupervised network. In supervised networks comes under feed forward, radial basis, LVQ, time delay and non-linear auto-regressive networks will comes under supervised networks only. In unsupervised network it will comes including self-organizing maps and competitive layers only it will come. So pre-processing and post-processing for improving the efficiency of the network. Whatever the network we will take, whatever the problem we will take, to that problem efficiency we need to improve. That is our motto. So by designing the algorithm in a Matlab solutions, how to improve the efficiency. So pre-processing and post-processing for improving the efficiency and assessing network the performance. We need to analyze the performance. So here modular network representation for managing and visualizing networks for arbitrary size. So routines for improving the generalization to prevent for fitting Simulink blocks for building and evaluating neural networks and advanced blocks for control system applications. So what are the steps you people need to follow when you people are open Matlab solutions? When we put neural network toolbox you will select, or you need to design, you need to write the program algorithm, you need to write in the Matlab script .m file you need to write. So what you people need to analyze the steps. What are the steps you people need to follow? Collect the data first. Whatever the data you have, suppose when you people are designing a solar PV system, now you need to get the maximum power point tracking, right? So in the maximum power point tracking, recently the automotive, all the companies, they are implementing the artificial neural network. So by implementing the artificial neural network, we can easily identify where the maximum voltage we are getting. Because the sunlight we are getting from the sunlight, it will be not constant, right? It will be vary depending upon the temperature. From the last 30 days, you can observe the temperature of Coimbatore city, you can observe the last 30 days temperature. From that, it will be vary, right? Every day it is varying. One day it is 25, another day 35, 40, 45. Like that it is varying. So from day to evening also the temperature conditions are varying. So then now you people need to take the data first from the last 1 month. by taking the last 1 month data, create the network. So how do you people create the network? So then you need to arrange the pattern recognition, configure the network, and initialize the weights and biases of the network. So after initializing this network, so whatever the data you people are collecting, that data you need to train to the system. So where you need to train, you need to achieve maximum power point to your PV panel, right? So you need to, because solar PV system, we are not getting voltage, so the temperature varies, so we need to achieve 230 voltage to our home applications. So where we are getting the maximum point, so like that. So we can, by implementing the artificial neural network algorithms in the solar PV system also, we can easily achieve maximum power point. So validate the network and use that network in your model. So you people are getting 230 AC voltage at your home application. Suppose if you, at daytime, morning time, the temperature conditions will be very less, right? So then how do you will achieve high amount of power at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. How you people get the maximum power? So you need to point where you are getting the, in your 6 or 7 solar PV panels, you will connect to your house application, rooftop of your home, you will fix 6 to 7 panels. So according to that, where you don't know where you are getting the maximum power, because the sun rays which are falling on the PV panels also, it will be not same. So from corner to corner, the temperature is varying. The irradiation, according to the irradiation only, the panels will generate the voltages. So if you are not getting the 230 voltage, you can't turn on your fan, right? You can't turn on your tube light at your home application, right? So you need to achieve the maximum, shade out the PV panel. So after 3 months, automatically whatever the product, whether it is a solar PV panel or a new bike or new car or new mobile also, it will be shade out, right? Compulsory. When people are using continuously, automatically there may be damage. So when you people are observing shade out the panels, then at that point also, how to achieve the maximum power means, so at that point you can, now recently all the industry people, they are applying the neural networks in this solar PV system analysis. So whether it is a single stage conversion or 2 stage, whatever it may be, they are achieving. So validate the network and at that point use the network also. So working with the neural network toolbox, here you can see here, like its counterpart in the biological nervous system, a neural network can learn and therefore can be trained to find the solution. We need to learn, right? When we will learn, when we are finding the mistakes to ourselves, then only we can learn through the mistakes. So recognize the patterns and classify the data and forecast future events also. So the behavior of any neural network is defined the way it is individual computing elements. So we are number of elements we will take, right? We need to train our system, means automatically we will connect number of the elements. So and by the strength of those connections are weights also. Whatever the weights we are adjusting to achieve our target or to achieve our required output, we need to adjust the weights. So neural network toolbox includes command line functions and graphical tools for creating, training and simulating neural networks here. So here we can see here, when you people are training your system in Matlab Simulink model, when you people are training your system means, so like this you will get the graph. So here the data sheet, whatever, including time series data and pattern recognition and clustering. After creating your networks in these tools, you can automatically generate Matlab code to capture your work and automatic task. So you need to first, you people need to know how to fit the data, how to train our system. Automatically the system, whatever the model we are designing, it will capture the everything, whatever the data, it will be captured. So in graphically, visually we can easily analyze, so in this pattern. So here we will see a simple example also. So after completing this one, so a neural network toolbox supports a varieties of supervised and unsupervised neural network architecture. So what are the supervised networks mean? Supervised neural networks are trained to produce desired outputs in response to the sample input. So we have some desired output. Suppose I need to achieve 3 kilowatt PV inverter or 5 kilowatt inverter, 5 kilowatt PV inverter I need to develop. So that is my desire. So according to that, you need to train your data sheet. You need to train your model. So then only you will achieve. Suppose your vehicle, when you people are driving your car, so whatever the condition, whether it is a rugged condition, whether it is a cold, suppose if you go to North India, means automatically the temperature may be very less. If you are in south side, the temperatures are normal, medium, right? So if when you make a product, a real-time product, whether it is a e-vehicle or e-bike, means whatever the weather condition, plus 45 degree or minus 50 degree also, you need to drive that car, means so you need to make that product within a rugged, so with an effective manner you need to design that one. So then, so like that, so when you make that type of machine, means so automatically you need to control your speed of the vehicle. So by using this neural networks, you can implement, you can achieve the desired output. Whatever the desired, your output, whatever your thought, whether it is a PV system or e-vehicle or e-bike or e-rickshaw also, whatever it may be, so you can achieve the data, so by selecting this data. So if you selected the supervised network, which type of networks are there? Previously already we said, feed forward networks, radial basis networks, dynamic networks. So feed forward, so what are the feed forward? Feed forward networks, radial basis networks, dynamic networks, learning vector quantization type of networks. 4 type of vectors are there. So if you observe the unsupervised network, unsupervised neural networks are trained by letting the network continually adjust itself to new inputs. So if you see here, whatever the inputs you are giving in the supervised network, you will achieve your desired output. But in case of unsupervised neural network, if you are selecting the unsupervised neural networks are trained by letting the network continually, you need to monitor always, you need to adjust always, you need to continually adjust itself to its new inputs. Whenever you are taking the new inputs, automatically you need to adjust your system also. They find a relationship. Neural Network Toolbox supports 2 types of self-organizing and unsupervised network. So in this unsupervised network, we have computative layers and self-organizing maps are there. You can see here a computative layers. So computative layers recognize and group similar input vectors, enabling them to automatically sort input categories, and computative layers are commonly used for classification and pattern recognition. So here the computative layers, what is the purpose of computative layers? Classification and the pattern recognition. So, and if you see here in the top of side, this one is the self-organizing. So here, how many we are selecting here? 64 layers, right? 2 inputs. So input vectors we are taking here, 2 input vectors, and that one we have trained the system self-organizing map. So self-organizing maps learn to classify the input vectors according to similarity, like computative layers. They are used for classification and pattern recognition tasks. And however, they differ from the computative layers because they are able to preserve the topology of the input vectors, assigning nearby the inputs only. Nearby the inputs, nearby the categories. So for that reason, they will be separated. These self-organizing maps. So first you have the problem. First one, what you need to identify? You need to take the variables first. You have the problem, means you need to identify, you are identifying one problem. How to solve those problems means first you need to identify the variables. Input variable, what are the input variables? How many input variables you are taking, whether it is 2 or 5 or 10 variables you are setting. And modularization into sub problems. You need to divide into the sub problems. And what is your objective of your project? What is your objective of your project? And then you need to, according to your objective, you need to collect the data. You need to collect the data from, according to your problem, you need to collect the data. So whether it is so as a electrically, we have so many projects we are working. So whether it is a wind or solar or renewable energy cases or automotive machines also, we need to collect the data. So here you can see here neural network solution. So data collections, when you people are collecting the data, so you need to train, right? You need to train the system, you need to validate and testing the data set. So training set it will be training set, how much you will set? Approximately 75% of the data you will be trained. So the trained data will be approximately 75, and validation set it will be around 10% of the data, and testing data, whatever the 5% data you will be tested in your problem. So neural network applications where we can use these neural network names are where we are seeing this artificial intelligence in real time world. So in our fingerprint also we are observing, and pattern recognition, investment analysis, financial management, and control system and monitoring. So now every year in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, they are launching rockets, right? So ISRO, so they are also using the artificial. So that's the reason in control system monitoring also. So most of the ISRO people, they are working on control system only. They need to control the vehicle, right? So they are using. So in that case also we can use algorithms, neural network algorithm, it will be effectively work. And mobile computing and marketing and financial applications for sales, market research and meteorology also. So previously we said automobile industry, solar PV case and e-vehicle also we can use this one. So what are the advantages when you people will get? A neural network can perform tasks that a linear program cannot, and here when an element of the neural network fails, it can continue without any problem by their parallel. So when you people are taking the data, so several model which you are designing, it will be effectively work. So a neural network learns and does not need to be reprogrammed. So a neural network, it will be automatically learns. So we don't need to reprogram that one. If anything will be damaged, any element will be damaged automatically, it will collect, it will work with an effective also. It can be implemented in any application. It can be implemented without any problem also. So here we will see. So what is Matlab? So in all these domains, previously we said, right? So Matlab for engineering students only they developed. Before the Matlab, we have Fortran language, C and C++ program language. So as an engineering student, the engineering student, they feel difficulty to analyze the programs. So most of the people, they feel somewhat difficult, right? So here, when you are working on Matlab, either Simulink model, if you are strong in mathematical model analysis, so you need to analyze the mathematical models. You can easily achieve your desired output. You will achieve all the goals also in this. So we have number of inbuilt functions. Through that inbuilt function, we can design our model to design also. So mainly in Matlab Simulink model, here we will see here. A simple Matlab model we will see here. So this is Matlab window. Matlab window, you people know already well about the Matlab, Matrix laboratory. So this is the command window, and this is one in the workspace here. So if I take C is equal to, here I feel, so whatever the command window, whatever the variables I given here now, all will store, all the variables will store, save in this workspace. Suppose C is equal, I will type here a matrix. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1 by 4 vector, a simple vector I type here. So if you type here C is equal 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you enter the command, automatically that will be stored in this workspace. I think, hope you people will know about this one. So here, what is the beauty of this Matlab is, here what is the name, how much, the name, this is C is the variable name, right? You can, how much variable, how much letters we can give. Actually, if suppose myself Srinivas, I have around 7 letters, 7 letters is my name. Like that, you have also approximately 10 characteristics, right? 10 letters only my name. But how much variable, how much length, variable length, you can give here in this Matlab. So here, you can type here in your Matlab, name, length, max. If you give the command here, so here you can give the variable name up to 63 characters. Matlab will take 63 characters. So no other language will not take this many characters. 63 characteristics. If you give the variable name also, you can, it will take. So with the 63 characteristics name, it will take. So here we are typing whatever the variables we are typing, it will appear in this workspace answer, and C is equal 1 2 3 4 matrix. So this is the current folder and this is the current directory path. If you need to analyze what is your system, so PW, some inbuilt functions are there, and here I will show a simple characterization of a neural network, how to train. I taken a data sheet here, so CLC clear here. So if you give the clear means CLC means automatically it will command window will be clear. If you give the clear means if you give the command clear, so the workspace, whatever the variable stored in the workspace, it will be cleared here. So here I took a sample data. So here I took a sample data about the characterization of any product, any element. Suppose if you observe the machine or like a human, you need to analyze the characterization means, then how to train the data by taking, we have less time only, that's the reason we are design this characterization algorithm. You can see here character recognition. So define the problem. So whatever this percentage, this one given, whatever the green letters it is showing, right? So all these green letters, you can define the problem. What is the problem you are doing? Which type of problem you are analyzing? Suppose you are analyzing a problem means all the description of the problem you can write here. This one will comes with the green mark only, green ink it will come. So then here I took a two inputs. So x comma t is equals to PR prob. So the matrix T is the 26 by 26 vector. Here 26 by 26 I took here, and identify matrix which maps the 26 input vectors to the 26 classes. So here I took two input variables x and t, and I designed I give it the command. If suppose if you people give the semicolon means it will stop to run. So whenever you are writing the program means automatically you are giving the semicolon means it will stop to run. If you are not giving the semicolon means automatically it will execute the program. So here plot the characteristics of x comma. So here A is the first letter is the plotted as a bitmap. So here A is the bitmap here we given, and plot chart here we given. So this is a command, inbuilt command, plot chart, plot characteristics, open bracket x comma column and comma 1 we given, right? So for that one we create. So we are taking the two input variables. For these two input variable characterization we need to analyze. So like that, first we need to create the neural network, right? To solve this problem we will use a feed forward neural network. So supervised neural network. So supervised neural network comes under feed forward, binary and LVQR, right? So dynamic neural networks also comes under feed forward supervised neural network. Here I took a feed forward neural network for pattern recognition with 25 hidden neurons. With the 25 hidden neurons I took this one. So here the neural network is initialized with the random initial weights. The results after training vary slightly every time the example is run. So here set demo random data state. So pi I given. So net 1. So net 1 I given here. Feed forward net I given. So feed forward neural network, right? So feed forward net I given. Open bracket. So view net 1. So we need to analyze. So we are trained. We are given this data. In this net 1 feed forward neural network we applied. So view net 1 means we can observe that one. So then after that, so training the first neural network, we take how many variables? Two neural network, x comma t we took, right? So the function train divides of the data into training, validation and test sets here we give. So here net divider function we given net 1 train net 1 comma x comma t comma. So nn Matlab we given the command here. nn Matlab we given the command here. So after that what we are doing, first one we given first here you people you can see here net 1 feed forward net we given, then we are visualizing that one by giving the command view net 1. So after that net dot divider function we given. So after that net 1 is equals to trained net 1 x comma t comma neural net Matlab matrix laboratory. Also noise versions also of the letters. So the characterization of x comma t letters, the noise when we are arranging some pattern compare with the ability to generate the first one. So here num noise we selected here, num noise we selected here, num noise we selected here. So we given 30 comma 30 semicolon x of n minimum or maximum, repeat mat x comma 1 num noise plus random 35 26, right? 26 by 26 we took 26 num noise. So then here we given this one. So after that x1 x and t1, so one plot those two things. So then only, so the problem we will identify means then we can easily analyze the characterization, right? X1 and t characterization we will n and column. So we will plot the graph, and here net 2 feed forward net and 25 net 2 here trained net 2. So again whatever the data we given here now, so this data we are training here again. So testing both the neural network. So for testing that one, here we give from 76 to 97 up to here we are testing the data whatever the training system we are doing now. So for training one, this is the 0.05 colon 1. So infinity means, so x label we can give the name program. So from that you are taking another data. So data statements. So first here so this is the training one. So that here hope 2 also. Each and once again we are thanks to all of you, everyone. Matlab says on artificial intelligence. So in artificial intelligence Matlab, so fuzzy logic is also comes under artificial intelligence only. Fuzzy logic also and neural network references, and the one of KCT management and professors, professor of HOD and coordinator sir and the convener sir. Thank you all, and thanks to Pantech, thanks to all the participants. So here, so thanks to title of our project is we taken, right? So the errors here, these are the errors, and this one the blue color one and red line one you can see in the noise level. So characterization of, for giving this opportunity to me. Subscribe our channel. Every day we are technocrats are there. They are every bell